Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I am here with this beautiful easel card. You can make this card in a very few minutes and you can give to your loved ones on any occasion. So here I have used this paper flower. If you people want to learn this paper flower, how I made it, so please do let me know in comment section. I would love to make tutorial on it. So let's start. So for making our today's project, we need to have all these things: white cardstock, some pattern papers. Here I am using Be Mine Collection paper pad from Dress My Craft, glue, some die cuts and flowers, and some fuzzy cutouts for doing decoration of our card, scissors, and here I'm going to use my scoreboard and trimmer for making this card. If you don't have any trimmer or scoreboard, then you can use your pencil and ruler for that. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So for making our quick and easy 5-minute easel card, we need to have this white cardstock, as I have already cut it, and it measures 4 by 8 inches. As you can see, here I'm going to use my scoreboard for this. I'm using Dress My Craft multi-purpose scoring board. So first we have to score on 4 inches because we have taken the 8 inches. So we are going to crease on the center of this card like that, and then we have to fold it like that. Now this is our upper part, so we are going to fold it from the center of this part only, from this first part only. So we are doing the partition at 2 inches. So it is the center of this. Now we have to fold it too, like that. Now like this. This is our upper part. So it will be like this, like this. So now we need to have pattern papers. So I have already cut these pattern papers. These two measures 3/4 by 3/4 inches. Now I am going to attach it here like that. So what we have to do, we have to paste it only on this part. We have to add glue on this part only, not on this part. So here I am taking my glue. Like that. Now I'm going to attach it like this. We have to attach it in the center of this upper part like that. And now I'm going to attach this one at here. This is the upper part and this is the inner part. So I'm going to attach it in this inner part. Like that. Like that. As you can see, it's so easy to make. Now we have to just put one fuzzy cutout or any flower at here so that our card will stick like that. Okay, so here I'm going to take this sentiment, and this is the fuzzy cutout from the motif sheet of Be Mine Collection. So you make me happy. So here I have already attached this double-sided tape. So I'm just going to put it in the center like that. So it will be like that. So now we have to decorate it. So for decoration, here I'm using these foliage dies and this flower which I have already made using Dress My Craft flower dies. If you people want to learn this flower, then do let me know in comment section. So here I'm decorating my card using these things. So So now I'm adding this sentiment. So as I have already attached this double-sided tape on it, so let me remove the paper of it. Like that. Now I'm going to attach some golden pearls here and there. So isn't it looking pretty? If you people liked our video, so then please do subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. So for today our project has completed. Hope you people loved it. So please do hit the like button if you like this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching Vanishka's Art and Craft World. Keep watching. Thank you.